if you need a water hose for using at a dock, I also have this for my garden space, but what I love about this water hose is that it doesn't kink up, it's easy to store, and it could take a beating. And like I said, it's easy to put away, take out to use, and compared to your traditional green rubber hose, this here eventually gets a memory, it gets sticky just from being out in the sun. I just hate it. Whereas this hose, the Zero G, I believe it is, yeah, Zero G water hose is the only water hose I use out here, as well as in my garden, because it does not kink up and it's easy to put away and takes a beating regardless whether you're dragging it on a dock or on the ground.